सारी फिर अपना घर बनाते देखोगे तो इंजीनियर बन के फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाऊंगा, फिर जिंदगी भर आपको कोसूंगा।
Hello everyone, this is your Dost and definitely not a ghost, Rohal. I am here with an unboxing video. I have been using SJCam SJ4000 Wi-Fi for some time now. Video quality is pretty decent but not that great. Hence I decided to upgrade to a GoPro. So I bought a GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition with an extra battery and charger pack. I have this friend who sells products on eBay and he got this for me from Canada. GoPro Hero 4 Silver records at 4K at 15 fps, 2.7K at 30 fps, 1440p at 48 fps, 1080p at 60 fps, 960p at 100 fps, 720p at 120 fps, WBG at 240 fps. The Hero 4 Silver comes with standard housing plus two additional back doors, one that gives you access to ports, while the other lets you access the touchscreen. One rechargeable battery, mounting accessories like curved adhesive mount, a flat adhesive mount, pivot arm, quick release buckles, and also a mini USB cable. I guess most of you already know this. Let's get to the point. Why did I buy the Hero 4 Silver and not the latest Hero 5? So the reason I bought Hero 4 Silver is, me being a motovlogger, I'm going to use my GoPro mostly while riding. Earlier when I was using SJCam SJ4000 Wi-Fi, I used to record the footage and then add audio while post-processing. Hence it was difficult for me to share expressions. For example, if I see an accident on the road, my reaction to it is real time. I cannot just recreate that expression in post-processing. With the GoPro Hero 4, I also bought the original audio jack so that I can motovlog and comment on things real time as I see them. In the pack, along with the camera, I got an extra battery and a dual battery charger from GoPro. The seller also added a floaty and a 16GB class 4 memory card. I also bought a 64GB class 10 memory card and a microphone from Amazon. And the reason I did not buy the GoPro Hero 5 is the audio adapter to connect a microphone to Hero 5. It is huge and it will be difficult for me to set it up inside my helmet. Also, Hero 5 is waterproof out of the box, so you don't need a housing for it. In a country like ours, there are lots of dust, stones and insects flying around. So let's say I'm doing a highway speed run and a stone hits the lens, so there are chances the lens might crack. As the Hero 4 comes in a case, it is much protected. This is my first GoPro and I'm so excited to unbox it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I paid 26,000 rupees for the GoPro along with the battery pack, 1550 rupees for the microphone adapter, 500 rupees for the microphone and 1700 rupees for the 64GB class 10 memory card. There is not much to explain, rest of the video is self-explanatory. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, add me on Facebook and Snapchat, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Have a good one. Hasta la vista.